Welcome to the Blinded Plug, Mzansi and Eswatini, where a bachelor or a bachelorette goes on a blind date with three strangers. The three strangers will then compete to be the one chosen by that bachelor or bachelorette at the end. Now, let's get to the show.
Hi.
Hi, Ujani.
Ngiyaphila kanjani?
Ngiyaphila nami.
Ya, ngisaneliso ngaNhlabathi.
Saneliso Nhlabathi.
Ya, suka enhlangano.
Okay.
Na.
Ngicebisa ngakaMatisa. Currently ngihlala kuMathapha.
Go. Qala kubona umuntu waMatisa.
Yeah, asikavami vete.
Yho. So yini lekuletha blind dates because they are five in Mathapha.
Ngiyalo nje lengakusho ukuthi yabona nje kuMathapha. I think you might be Mathapha. Like angibathanzi abafana kuMathapha. Indi ngiyalo nje interested nje ukuthi ke should uhlala enhlangano. Shothi sekuyangakhona.
Ya, sengingengeza khona ngimeta kuMathapha.
Wena yini lokuletha blind date?
Okay, inhlangano is just a quiet place lapha kusemakhaya. Emthira khona ayisiyo la right now. Siyo abantu abathatha kahle. Most of them sevele banebantwana. Bathanda nemafana
So ushathe namfulo nemfana?
Like basebancane. Okay, lokukhulu kakhulu ukuthi bagijimisa abafana.
Okay.
Nokuthi ukuthi baba nebantwana ukuthi okay mina vele singadecide ukuba nemfana. Mana mabantwana bokuthi njalo. Mara banebantwana still bagijimisa abafana.
Okay.
Nokuthi inkinga nomntwana.
Alright, so wena ke ufunani nje emvombadaneni, like emvombatana le kanjani, character yayo, yabo?
Honestly speaking, I can't say my type. Ngithanda ukudlala nje. Into engithanda kakhulu emvombadaneni personality, ngiyo into engiyibukako. Ukuthi uphatha njani? Ngithanda umuntu othanda imihle abantu.
Okay.
Ya, ngithanda umuntu oquiet. Because I'm quiet. Ngithanda umsindo. Umuntu lo interesting. Ya, umuntu othanda nje nokuphila yabo. Just going to places like that. So what do you expect?
Mine as long as angumuntu lotiphethe kahle, ane dignity, ahlonipha, like uhloniphekile in a way, understand? Lokuhlonipha nami ngimhloniphe, cause nangibuka kahle nje inhlonipho phambili nje konke, understand? So nalo loyal, nalokholwako ke Nkosi yami shem. Yeah. Lo ngidinga nje ukuthi umephi.
So
Ngiyakholwa mina.
So wakhula ukholwa vele ore.
Angikholwa.
Yabo baba nenhlanhla thina ekholwa siqala manje. Sesikhonekthi idea.
Okay.
Habe bahamba nje bashiye yabo ukuthi bangasho ngithambe somweni sicole kudlala then ngathi decide ukuthi no, let me find my way.
Yeah, that's.
So uhlala kuphi Mathapha?
Ngihlala Eten.
Okay.
So currently
I can't say I'm busy with something. Ngicela siye esikoleni. So i-reason lengenta ngathi angikho busy kakhulu. Just I'm thinking of going back to school.
Okay.
Because The dream I have, I had nje. Aish. Angiboni ngathi ngangiphumelelisa manje.
Alright. Sky ngiyabona.
So wena angithi mawusemncane bowuphupha ukuthi banginesi noma ngidokotela.
Yeah, that's true.
So bofuna ukuba yini?
Mina befuna nje ukuba nurse. Amagcisa asho njalo.
Solo kunanyalo solo ufuna ukuba nginesi.
No, ngisafuna.
Why?
Akhanza ukuthi ke nasikhuluma yabona kasiphuta thisha ukuthi ufuna ukuba yini. Like siyakopelana umuntu ethi udokotela, nesi, pilot, yabo most imfundo esitatiwo, police yabo. Khaza ukuthi kukulamqomvelo efonga ngathi imfundo zatibona ukuthi na athletic khona understand. But naso face lempilo ukhanza ukuthi hayi man akungivumi ukuthi ngiyoba ngilonesi. Ngile uthi na ucabangele wena, ucabangele umndeni wakho. Understand?
Okay. So uphi ngani?
Oh mina kwanyalo ngiyasebenza.
Umsebenzi.
Yes.
So ucocana esikoleni?
Last year.
Ngisho ukuthi awungishiyi kakhulu.
Huh?
Ngisho ukuthi awungishiyi kakhulu.
Maybe angathi.
So angazi if I may ask umnyaka.
So yes, ngisafuna ukubuta wena kuqala.
Yeah, hayi ngisho ngabuta mina. So uthi iminyaka?
Mina I'm 21 years old.
21.
Yes.
I'm 20 years old.
Oh, okay.
So wena ungavuma ukuthi eye younger guy than me?
No.
Ngeka.
No.
Why?
Listen kunakile. Ingqondo isebenza ngeminyaka.
Ingomsana ngeminyaka.
Yes, okay, maybe ngathini? Ngeke yona nje uthi una 21 una 20 angithi. Mina I'm 21. Ingqondo lethu lengisho ngaba difanana.
What do you mean fanana? Okay,
mina kuhlukene. Mina I'm 21 years old and I'm matured. But I'm not decide lakho.
So who says at 20 years awukho matured?
Nawubuka.
Okay, I've been around sengikudlile yabo. Mara one thing I understand about umuntu ukuthi umuntu can be angaba mncane. Mara depending on the mind angaba mncane. So me and myself, I believe in myself. So age game is not a problem.
Okay.
I'm matured enough, I feel like.
Okay.
So there is no reason nje ukuthi and after all age starts senam. But ungaba na 21 kanti alothi ingqondo isengekho.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, so I think I'm matured enough.
If you say so, then maybe singabona. Like mina, I judge my actions. Level is because nabasho bathi actions speaks louder than words. So ngeke bese ke ngiyakujudge ke ngingakabona la ma actions akho. Ngicebisa ngamatisa sibongo. Wena?
Ngisabelo. Asimelana.
Oh, okay, Sabelo. Ungangibuta anything like ufuna umuntu lo kanjani?
Mina ufuna lo kanjani?
Yes.
ngicabanga ukuthi mina umuntu engimfunayo umuntu ngidawuthi usakhulile ngoba nami sengikhulile. Ukukhula kangisho ukukhula lokuguga futhi.
Okay.
Ukukhula in the form of maturity.
Okay.
Nalo watiko ukuthi cha. Ngicabanga ukuthi nangithi lo watiko ukuthi ufunani. You will get what I'm trying to say. As far as a relationship are concerned. So it's not so what is okay nami nakule ngifuna.
Okay.
Lo takushowisha each and every day of our life ukuthi wena ufuna nawo. Umuntu kanjalo nje ngafisha ngasho njalo.
Okay. Mina I'm 21 years old. Kwanye lo ngiyasebenza. Ngise-employee.
Employee.
Yes.
Do
But
you mind telling ukuthi employee kuphi nje?
okay.
No, you can tell if you comfortable.
No, I'm not comfortable with that.
Okay.
Yeah, but nje awubona. Cause akusiyo ukuthi ke ngisatha uhlala lapha impilo yami yonke. If ever maybe ngithi awuhlala impilo yami ngangiyakutshela. Yabona. But I've got plans. My plans nje ukuthi ngitendele mina kwami. Yes.
Kube ngumlungu.
Yeah, kube ngimi umlungu. Yeah, ngayibeke kahle. I've got one kid. Angathi noma right yini ngalapho noma.
Uthi right ngakuphi right nalo ukuthi you have 41 kids.
Yes, wena unangakhi?
No, ngicabanga ukuthi for me umuntu lengathi lengimfuna kona nowadays angicabanga ukuthi uyi-priority ukuthi nangakho abantwana.
Okay.
Sekungukuthi nje yena uthimele njani naleyo mfana wakhe ku-relationship yethu. Nami nakuthi phela lapho ufuna bese nawe uba umuntu uyamcabangela nami ngidibeka kuphi. Lokho ngicabanga ukuthi ufuna kulidwe ngilona umnikade womfana. Ukuthi mina ngithangibothi okay le mfana ke simelane ukanje uyise unjani then yena ngolo tangifela ukuthi mina what role do you want me to play. Labanye abantu abafuna ube too close abantu babo. Labanye would love to ukuthi and act as a stepfather vele kaze ukuthi noma the other parent akasekho. For me I'm 42. Nyawa. Being 42 nje ngisethu mfana.
Okay.
Is that believable?
Yeah, ngiyakuthenga.
That's it, but it's the truth. But many don't believe it.
Yeah.
So that I can go as old as 42 years and still have no baby.
Yeah.
So it's part all in all, it's not a problem to have a kid.
Yeah, it's not a baby. Okay. Personality yakho inhle kanjani?
I feel I want to understand the question. Ngithi mina ngikhanza ngimlonjani noma ngicabanga ukuthi personality kahle kahle.
Yes, ngifuna ukuthi utshele wena lokuthi wena now okay wena utikhanza umuntu kanjani because phela abantu bayakutshela ukuthi hayi isabelwa angathi awendi kahle lapha nalapha yabo uyabona nje bamlawa mina nje ma colleagues ami ayangathi nje ukuthi lo sisilo unemusa uhleza ahlekela nje umuntu lo yabo lo kahle kakhulu nabasho angibadi bathi nje
ngathi ukuthi siyafana nami utikhanza ngimlo kanjani. For me, according to my tinto esetendekile nje empilweni yami ngitibonako naye indlela ngithethisha ngayo. I can rate myself ukuthi I'm one of the good hearted person.
Nabona lo 42 uyasho vele ukuthi iphethe kahle.
Nangaka ngibeka nje siyabeka ukuthi in percentage ngathi on being a good person, I can rate myself around maybe like say 80% good. Just because cabanga lempilo sengiphilile to be this far. Isho njalo iyadisho nje nayo.
So Nyalo, are you looking for a serious relationship or you looking for yeah, it's just for fun or yabo ngihambisa isikhathi kuyena lo 42 angikwazi, just asking.
Now to me being here, I wanted to find love in a different way. And I would say it's not to say like I've never been in a relationship before. I've had a couple of relationships which failed. Long time ago, for the relationship, different issues, but they're coming here for a serious relationship. Because that's serious, I understand the girls that are going to be here now are at a level whereby they want something serious in their life, different from what they've been having. Being here, we talk for serious is serious now. Serious, serious. It doesn't make you go forward. But now I'm serious. We can work something out.
Okay. So, which religion do you believe in?
Talking of religions. It's what it is. In a traditional family. I'm a Christian, but I'm not a born again person. So that defines my religion.
Okay, Nyago. So, do you drink alcohol?
I do drink alcohol.
Every weekend?
No, not every weekend. I can't be drinking every weekend while I'm working. You drink when you want to, and you drink when you have time to drink.
Okay.
I would say I drink on my free time. Usually it's not always on weekends because my job requires me to work this weekend, not work the following weekend, where I'm not saying every time when I'm off I go to drinking. When I'm off and the time siyavuma lesikhathi ukuthi ngihamba ngonathi ayidu kuyendeka nje ngi-off phela weekend ngakanathi just because uba busy nje uba busy. Yonatha ngicabanga ukuthi ukuhamba is type of one thing but end up for fun, so you can't be doing things for fun in your spare time every time.
No, I don't drink. Ngake nganatha bangihlula singabiyekeli.
Bakuhlula kanjani? Bakuhlula in a taste or
no, bengithi ngiyanatha.
When there's something.
No, I didn't do anything like the feeling. The feeling yakhona ayingijabulisanga. Like kulele ngubona abantu bakwenza ukuthi sengayaza kwaze yabo. Like mina ngenda ukuthi ngibe nale feeling le kanjalo.
So lokho ekwendekeni kwakho kuwe wena then how would you feel having a partner lonathayo? You have a problem with the drinking partner?
Inkinga nemuntu lonathako, but as long angiloti iphethe kahle. Cause one thing I believe ukuthi naye limatshwaleni nibone laba nalaba abamfubatana but wena nangabe uyati ukuthi ishadi I'm going there to drink my alcohol with my friends then go back endlini, yabona. But now not ngilo muntu lonathako so butha yena mphungane yena wena endlini awusathi yabo ukuthi ku tinyanya so
No, I understand. Ngiyakuzwa. No, because not always ukuthi vele abantu they take to assume ukuthi bantu labaya konatha ematshwaleni lapho khona bathola intombi everything. But ke vele kuliqiniso at some time and ngathi isikhathi akusilo iqiniso.
Yeah, that's true.
Umuntu unknows but okay yebo kona kulula kwakhe abangane eshwaleni. Nase sonke ngu-discovery nje. Empilweni ngisaphila kule minyaka emi-42. Ngicabanga ukuthi people are easy ematshwaleni nasesondweni.
Yeah,
So that's what makes the people bese bacabanga ukuthi vele nami I've seen it happening. Ukuthi ematshwaleni bagcine bendelelo njena lokho but ke it calls for discipline and the majority bengikhuluma ngayo kuwo.
Sawubona.
Hayi konjani?
Ngiyaphila uJanweni.
Ngiyaphila na.
Hle mawuphila.
Ekhaya kithi nabangitala komakwasi sibongo sami ngokakunene ligama ngimlana.
Luyanda.
Luyanda.
Okay. Mina ngicebisa ngokwamatisa sibonga.
Cebisa Matisa.
Yes.
From
Punya, currently in Matapa.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm currently here.
In Baban.
Yeah.
Okay.
One is about 20 kilometers from here.
Okay. Ngathandza watini ngami.
What in now? Okay, what kind of a person are you looking for?
Okay. Mina ngifuna umuntu lonemaqiniso. Onenhlonipho. In fact, loto ngihlonipha nami ngimhloniphe. Ngathini? Longakhulumeli na futhi. Yana senansi longakhulumeli futhi.
Yeah, but I am like Joseph Dar. What can you talk about me? I am like Joseph Dar. You know Joseph Dar?
Angiva kahle.
We are Mati Joseph Dar.
No.
Yeah, Mati. Okay. Just one South African YouTuber who tends to talk a lot.
Oh, you talk a lot.
No, I'm kidding.
Okay. Ayikudinga. So, ngicabanga ukuthi uhambe embili ngilenhlonipho nalamaqiniso ne-communication.
What?
I-communication.
Communication, all right.
Yes, because kudele singakwakhana habe kudele communication. Yes.
That's true. Are you a Christian?
Yes, I'm a Christian.
Are you a drinking Christian or a sober Christian?
No, angisasiye Natal. I'm just sober.
You don't even dare taste a drop of alcohol.
I once did.
I mean currently.
Currently, no.
Is an occasion at home or is...
No.
That's cool.
Buka na lekhaya banathi mangala mina nje.
I do drink, but benginatha, but with my health condition. I can disclose it in front of the cameras.
Iyarola, anguva kahle.
I mean, like, I've been drinking, but not now.
Okay, lo wakomisa ke jole.
Miss?
Yes.
There's this condition, medical condition. When ngabila tshwaleni iyavuka, so I have to stop it because iyaphela. Nami ngayilapha nyala, I can spend 2,000 nyala kuma drugs ngiyilapha. Once ngabuyela le after 2 months iyavuka.
Shothi biyekela ungabuyeli.
Ngiyelela phela because if I go back there, of which ngisini angicenzele umgwaqo wethuning.
Sitakucenzela but ngiyadlala, okay.
Will you mind if I can ask you this? What's your body count, if you don't mind? Okay, approximations, because the precise figures.
Angicabanga
ukuthi 400 njengaleyo.
400.
Not bad. How possible is that?
It's possible for some. Now.
And yesterday, so they picture up with us, like I'm going to meet you. That's the only time I'm talking 400.
Okay. Yeah, go. I am my fake 3.
3. Okay. No problem.
Yeah, cool.
I'm
Oh, yeah. No, now tell me to shoot the pillar say gardening.
Bali. If no, you're going to first and ball, it's okay. But not more than 10.
Ha.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're going 4 and they're 5, but not more than 10. I don't know.
All right. Do you have a kid?
I do have a kid. Yeah, appreciating me.
Okay, now I do have one. So.
Yeah.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm turning 27%.
Okay. So, you
Yeah,
know, I mean, I'm 21.
21.
Yes.
Ungibona bakumele tikhetha kulo nyaka wena wathi ningetaka center
That's right. Yeah.
No problem. It's part of life.
Yeah. So, nyalo ufuna serious relationship or
Okay, ngathi I believe ukuthi angeke kuvele kuqale kube serious because there are many things that safuna ukuthi endeke. Like you have to get to know each other. Who is this person? Because you can tell me, but there are things you cannot tell me about yourself that I have to figure out.
exactly.
So I cannot say I want a serious relationship now. Until once you start the relationship, that is when we can see it's based up, it's bigger. It might be serious.
We are tibonu shata in future. Oh.
Definitely, I have to.
Okay, wow.
I have to.
Okay, what is the shata?
I gotta have a warm home.
We already have a warm home.
I need to have a warm home.
Oh, alright.
So kaya futhi kumele kufanele nemfati kufanele nebantwana.
Start for fulfillment. Okay. Uyabona lo egcina all right because of the age. Nalo okay like he active. So ngeke bese because the labanye lo eqala he's 20. Lois 2 is 42. No, that's my dad. No. So, Lois 3, I think he's better, maybe. Yeah. But to go 400, I don't need a look. Yeah, I'm funny look. Because definitely I can't be dating a 20-year-old and I can't be dating a 42-year-old. I
believe because if I choose, I choose. But she's cute. She's cute, yeah.
Yeah, ngamthatha.
Take him out.
Oh. No more. But I guess you are 21 sis. You said so. Doesn't look 21. But no. Muhle. Nemtimba wakhe cishe ukukahle. Phelele futhi.
Angishinji. Okay, Venkiti number 3. But 400. Yo, traumatized. Ngendlela bekakhuluma ngayo. Bekakhuluma kahle. But he's kind of not my type. Yeah. I feel like umtimba wakho mncane. Uyangibona ngithi?
Yeah.
Nawe ngicabanga ukuthi uyacabanga le ngokucabangayo.
Yeah.
Maybe. Maybe.
Na code 14. Na code 14.
Hayi phinde ngicabanga ukuthi nje ngathi nangihamba nawe la Staladini bathi ngagrepha so kanomfala kunami yabona.
Understand ukuthi mama.
Bengaqinisile ibhuti lona ibhuti lo weqala ukuthi ke vele yabo age is just a number. Uqinisile. So umtimba vele asijaja nami wami uyawujaja umtimba lo 21 years. Naye ngamjaja 27 lo mtimba. Ngani sisibulawa ngumtimba lana. Otherwise he's good.
Yeah, okay. In the long, okay, for now, body I not stress, but maybe if you can take into consideration for in the long run, maybe that is where I'm going for such things. Because what's more important here, I believe is not the physical appearance. You go on a ear counter, because it's not a zero. I want at least be a 5, 6, 7. You cannot be a 10 times for the praise. I don't understand, but at least. Ngihamba nami abantu ngikhona ukuthi ngibonayo ne-confidence ukuthi ngihamba nemuntu.
Yeah, but nje maqiniso athi abathi ngiyagrepha.
Is there any day where you go by without makeup? Is there any day where you go by without makeup?
Without you?
Without you wearing makeup?
Yes, actually I don't wear makeup.
But now you have makeup. And all I can see is don't ask me if you see the makeup.
What you can?
What I can see now is the makeup.
Oh, you want me to wash off the makeup? Anyways, never mind the makeup. What I can tell you for today, like never mind the makeup.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kubalulekile ukulalela.
I think.
Okay, then what's your final decision? Because I see a breakup dance. Anything is cool, don't worry. No one is gonna be broken in any way. Just feel free. We had the freedom of speech since 1968.
Yeah. I think if they give me a second chance, maybe.
That's over to them. I can't attend to a question. Just yes.
Yes. Ngoba ngaba nama doubts because we see the second chance to choose.
There's always a second chance.
Are you giving me the second chance? Yes.
Akuhambi kanjalo my sister, thathile no turning back. Better luck next time.